Hey, today we have a surprise for you birds. I made a video of them when I bought them. This couple of green parrots, and actually the day I bought them they were in that cage on the roadside. I just bought them to make a video of them, and then the reward would be the release. Now it turns out that I will make the video right now and then release them, because their life is very boring and they don't even make any sounds now, because probably they are depressed. And then when I look at this, a little bit fighting some sound, but that's not alive. So we're gonna release them, and the video will be just of their release. That's what we do right now. Okay, can you hold the camera, my dear? How is it looking? Okay. Put the flowers under it. So like this. Can you stand comfortable like this? Because now I'm gonna release them. Okay. So no disturbance. How will I do that? Shall we leave the door open and they will go out there? No, they are too scared. My lovely. Oh, calm. I don't want to do nothing wrong. Get out there. I'm not used to catch birds. Maybe I need to use my right hand. No. Well, it turns out to be more complicated. Let me make some close-up here. Make some close-up. Through the door. And my hand is tied. Oh, well, I cannot catch them. Don't break your wings now. It's time to leave. Or we should cut that cage open with a plier. No. Your little prison is finished. Now I got one. Okay. You're biting me. Oh, lovely. Now we need to show this one. Ay. I will make a surprise. I need to release you together. Ay, biting me very strong. Oh, my right hand. Okay, you go a little bit there now. Right, I'll go on that side now. We need to catch your husband or whatever, wife. Look, she's already outside. She's already outside. Come. Don't resist. Don't resist anymore. It's the nicest day. It's the nicest day after. Ay, both of you. Okay, go together. Idiots. They're biting me too much. So the birds were very scared. They bite my finger, of course, because they thought that there's something weird in the making, but it was actually just to give them freedom. You see, the cage is empty. Who wants to live in there for some time maybe, but not all life. So we keep that cage. It can be useful for something else. Maybe we can one day stick some other animal in there just to have a time to make a video about it and then release it too. And now we're gonna check where's that one parrot. It's walking around here somewhere.